Multiply 74 by 24 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 29. The first partial product is 296. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. The second partial product is 1480. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 9 plus 8 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 4 plus the carried 1 is 7. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 1776. So 74 times 24 is 1776.